When the 5th generation Santa Fe launches in 2024, the design will be bold. The shape is box, and the back looks like a 1980s minivan. The internet criticized the low-mounted taillights endlessly, and although the car sold well, the design style became a matter of love it or hate it. The 2027 Hyundai Santa Fe Facelift is proof that Hyundai is listening to feedback. This isn't just a minor change to the bumper. This is a complete repair operation. Hyundai has taken the Cyberbricks aesthetic, keeping the attitude, but improving the proportions and introducing a powertrain that changes everything. This is a review of an SUV that has finally grown up to its looks, design, body upgrade. Let's get straight to the most striking thing. The low-mounted taillights have been removed. Instead, there are new vertical pixel tower lights that span the D-pillar. Similar to the Palisade, it ends up looking cohesive, premium, and elevated. The front end has been sharpened, using the new design language. Seen on the ENEC 3, the H. Pattern headlights are slimmer and are now connected by a seamless daytime running light strip. The grille is wider, flatter, and less plasticky looking. The new 22-inch turbine alloy wheels fill the square arches perfectly, reducing the visual mass of the side profile. It looks less like a box on poles and more like a fortress. Drive system, the EREV revolution. The biggest news isn't the design, but rather what's under the hood. The 2027 Santa Fe is the launch pad for Hyundai's new extended range electric vehicle system. How it works: this car drives like an EV 100% of the time. The wheels are driven exclusively by 2 electric motors, standard AWD. Under the hood is a 2.5L engine that never drives the wheels. This machine only functions as a generator to charge the battery. Since the engine operates at optimal RPM, its efficiency is very high. Hyundai claims a total combined range of 932 miles, 1,500 kilometers on a full tank and a full charge. You can drive from New York to Chicago without stopping. For the standard petrol model, the jerky dual-clutch transmission DCT has been removed. The transmission has been replaced by a smooth shifting 8-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Symptoms of stuttering at low speeds have disappeared. Interior, open relaxing space. The interior is fine. Now it's awesome. The curved panoramic display now runs Plio's Connect, Hyundai's new AI-driven operating system. This system is faster, cleaner, and has a generative voice assistant that can answer complex questions about your route or car features. The center console now has a motorized sliding cover that features a sanitizing UVC tray for your phone, and keys, a feature developed post-pandemic that's finally making it into production. The front passenger seat now features the ENEC 5's footrest mode, allowing for zero-gravity naps while charging. The real XRT. The previous XRT was just an appearance package with all-terrain tires. The 2027 Santa Fe XRT is serious. The car gets a 1.5-inch suspension upgrade and a software-based e-locker that mimics a locked rear differential. The bumpers are cut higher for better approach angles, and the tow hooks are now rated for true recovery, painted in luminous orange.